Welcome to HeART Workshop 2, providing artists with entrepreneurial competences so that they can make a business from their art. In this video, we will focus on some key issues that creative people need to know influencing new realities. Creating new realities through influencing others. Influencing others is not just about promoting your work all the time. It is also about influencing change by inspiring and empowering others. It is vital to have something to say with your art, build relationships with your audience, and use the tools that are there for you to use. It is crucial for you to be honest, genuine, responsible, and consistent. Remember that what goes on the internet stays on the internet forever. Social media can be used to market your artwork, develop an audience, and find peers and inspiration. Digital collaboration and community. Digital collaboration and community have a big impact on influencing new realities. Collaborating with other artists can be beneficial to artists looking to expand their audience and expand their own art. Collaborating with others also helps you build relationships and links with other creative people, forming a community. When working with others, you are allowing your audience to see you do something that you wouldn't normally do, and you keep them engaged and wanting to see more. There are many digital collaboration and community tools and platforms that artists can utilize to help further their art. It is paramount that you as an artist promote your work and yourself online to find other artists to collaborate with and to find your online community. Building your reputation. Without a good online reputation, you are ultimately setting yourself up for failure down the line. It is important to have a strong online presence in this day and age so that you can reach your audience anywhere in the world. Being mindful of how you carry yourself online is vital for building a good online presence. It is paramount to find your online niche, understand it, research similar artists, and see how you can stand out. Forming your practice. If you are looking to turn your art into a business, you must learn how to stand out online. People like artists that make it personal. They want to know who you are, what's going on in your life, and your creative process. Be honest, and you'll find the right audience for you. Content marketing can help you to promote your art online and cultivate your audience. You can do this by sharing your process of creation, the story behind your work, live videos, masterclasses, promoting your work, being social, and choosing the right social media platforms, tools, and strategies. Influencing new realities is an important competence that artists can take advantage of so that they can make a business from their art. Influencing new realities is a free competence that nearly all artists can use or learn to use to make a business from their art. It is about finding what works best for your art and harnessing that. Well done! Now you are aware of influencing new realities and are ready to begin Workshop 2. For more information on HeART and how you can make a business from your art, why not check out the HeART Project workshops?